Step up, reverse, barbell on back. The reverse step up is a helpful exercise for building bulletproof knees, as it places load into the knee and it targets the teardrop quadriceps muscle on the inner thigh. This is known as the VMO. Notice that the non-working leg remains dead straight and the ankle is dorsiflexed, so only the heel of the foot is placed on the floor. This prevents us from cheating by pushing off the non-working leg. As we step down and forward, we rest the heel of the non-working leg on the floor. We pause, and then we use the strength in the working leg to return to the top position. To perform the step up correctly, step forward and down while keeping the torso as upright as possible. We need to make sure that the knee does not collapse inwards as you move up and down. Aim to keep the knee tracking over the toes. As you extend the knee and you stand up straight, try not to touch the elevated surface with the non-working leg. The aim is to find balance on the single leg. It's also essential to keep the hips level during this exercise. Do not allow the hips to hike up on one side as you perform the step up. As you step forward, the knee of the working leg will move over the toes and you will feel the weight transfer into the ball of the foot. This places the load into the VMO and helps to strengthen the knee. Finally, do not allow the hips to sit too far back, as this will not target the VMO as desired. The glutes will remain vertically stacked above the heel of the working foot or move slightly forward of the heel. They will never move behind the vertical line of the heel. One way to progress the reverse step up is to increase the height of the elevated surface. The higher the step, the more ankle dorsiflexion is required to keep the foot flat on the elevated surface. So it's best to start on a low elevation and slowly increase the height as ankle mobility, strength and balance improve. Do not increase the height until you can perform the reverse step up with perfect form. The maximum height should be roughly mid-shin, as the first 15 degrees of knee flexion is what targets the VMO. The barbell on back reverse step up can be performed with heavy loads. Whenever you increase the weight, you might also consider decreasing the height of the elevation and starting with a smaller range of motion. Get strong in the short range and then increase the height of the elevated surface. Perform the prescribed number of reps before repeating on the opposite side. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.